Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install PyTorch and TensorFlow together in a Windows system with GPU support. We'll use different CUDA and cudnn versions, and CUDA version for TensorFlow is a bit old, whereas for PyTorch it is updated because TensorFlow does not support GPU anymore. So first of all, make sure you have your drivers, NVIDIA drivers installed, and the preferable method is GeForce Experience, but you can use your own method like going to the website or anything. It's your choice. Next we'll install Anaconda, so make sure you have these settings and also check these boxes: register miniconda as default, Python 3.12, and clear cache upon completion. I also don't have external Python installed in my system, so my Python is only Anaconda here. So you have to wait for it to install first. After it is installed, click on finish. Open Anaconda prompt from here and you will be in the base. Base is another type of environment. So first you can do nvidia-smi to verify your graphics card, and all those steps are now done. I will paste this readme file there in the description box, and you can just copy all the commands from here. So first of all, TensorFlow, copy all the commands, they will work like you can see on the screen. Now this is the command to install a cudatoolkit 11.2 and cudnn 8.1. It will take some time. Now it is installed. Now you will use the pip install tensorflow-gpu equal to 2.10. It will install the version you want. Also now you will verify that the GPU driver is installed. So Python C import function will be used, and you are able to see as my GPU is shown here. Now deactivate your environment, and now we'll go for the PyTorch one. Repeat these steps. Installation done. Now activation. After activation, configuration, etc. And now we'll install. And PyTorch does not require cudnn version, it will directly work with CUDA 12.1. And I received an error here. Just repeat, enter that command again. These are normal HTTP errors, like your Wi-Fi isn't working or it stopped working due to power cut. So you have to just enter these commands again and again if it's a HTTP error. If it's any other error, do let me know in the comment section. I'll solve it for you. And now I think we installed the TensorFlow and PyTorch both together. Now we'll first verify PyTorch. Open Python here, import torch, and then click if torch-cuda is available. If the answer is true, then voila, you have installed TensorFlow and CUDA both together. Now exit Python and conda deactivate. Thanks for watching.